Now, our other option is a microfiber cloth, and there's a lot of different options out there for microfibers. So let me tell you really quick what you want to look for in a microfiber is that it has a large surface area and that it is nice and thick. So it can also be very absorbent. So I wanted to get a little close up of the texture. It's a nice quality, very thick, very absorbent microfiber cloth. These two features are going to make your cleaning go farther. You will take less time to do the job, and you'll really appreciate not having to reach for your cloths as frequently because your little thin, cheap microfiber cloth is being saturated too quickly. A big benefit of using a microfiber cloth is that you can color code. And if you're someone who likes to have color coordination, or you like just to have a lot of organization in your life, then color coding is going to be just right for you. But also, if you clean professionally, color coding has its advantages too. So I have my nice stack here. This is just a few of the colors that you can get in a microfiber cloth. One of the advantages that you can use when you're reaching for a microfiber cloth and you're color coding them is that you can eliminate some decision making. When I reach for a blue cloth, I don't have to think, well, I don't know if I've already used this cloth with my furniture polish. Have I used it with something scrubby? Is it going to scratch my surface? I already know that if I reach for my blue cloth, I'm getting a cloth with glass cleaner on it. So I can reuse this cloth. I can put it away and I can just spray a little bit of glass cleaner on it, and I can clean my area that I need to clean and then keep going. I don't have to think about whether or not this cloth is the right cloth for the job. When you're color coding, you can also differentiate between the cloth that you use to clean around your toilet and the cloth that you use to clean your kitchen counters, right? People don't always want those two to meet. We want to be able to tell if a cloth has been used on a toilet and a cloth has been used on a kitchen counter. And I don't want those two to be the same. So the color coding is your friend. Color coding can also save you on potential damages. Use your red or your black microfiber to get your grungy, grimy cleaning tasks done. You might be using a really scrubby kind of cleanser with your grungy, grimy microfiber, and you don't want to accidentally mix up the cloth that you use that has potentially abrasive cleaners in it with the cloth that you use to clean a really nice, shiny dining room table. You don't want the scratches that could be caused by any residual scrubbing cleanser that could be stuck in your cloth. Even one little abrasive bit of cleaner can damage your dining room table or anything that's highly polished that you would be worried about scratching. You need to have a dedicated microfiber cleaning cloth for those purposes. You want to know that you'll never reach for the cloth that would damage the surface when you're looking to polish a nice, delicate piece of furniture. So here's the color coding that we recommend. Use red or black for your grungy, grimy surfaces. Use yellow for your furniture polish. Use blue for your glass cleaner, so glass and windows and mirrors. And use green for everything else. So this can be your all-purpose. This is your kitchen. Really, it's everywhere else. So you can just stick with these 4 colors and you can be set. Keep everything nice and coordinated and separate from each other. They can all be washed together. That's no problem. Just make sure that the use is always going to have their own purpose. Now you might also have other things you want to separate and coordinate with. So you might have a gray microfiber when you're cleaning stainless steel. Maybe you're using your stainless steel cleaner and you want something to buff that out. You might also want to use another color. We have pink. I love pink. Pink is pretty. If I wanted to color coordinate using pink instead of any of these other colors, I can do that. The color doesn't matter. The thing that matters is that your cloth purpose stays the same and that you never switch that up. Don't switch it up. Keep it the same every time. Use yellow for furniture. Use blue for glass. And use your black or your red for your grimy stuff. Put that one around a toilet, but don't ever put the green one around the toilet. Don't ever use this yellow one to scrub something really nasty. The last thing about microfibers is really that a little goes a long way. So you can only use a little bit of cleaner and you can use just a little bit of water, and it really goes a long way with your microfibers. So you can use less cleaner and less water, and that does a really good job when you're using microfibers. If you're doing light cleaning, or just damp wiping, microfiber is perfect for that. The other thing to remember about microfibers is that you cannot wash them on hot water. So no hot water in the washing machine, no high heat in the dryer. It would damage the material that the microfiber is made out of, and you can't use bleach. So if you're okay with cleaning your microfiber towels on lukewarm to cool water, microfiber could be a really good option for you. I hope this helps, and really in the end, it just matters what you prefer. What does your cleaning job look like? What do you like better to use? And there's no right or wrong answer. I hope learning the information that we have about cleaning cloths, our cotton cloths and our microfiber cloths, has been helpful. Remember, you want to stack. Have a stack of them, because when you start your cleaning job, you don't want to have to stop because you've run out of cloths. I always have a big stack when I'm starting to clean. So these are my cotton cloths. When I'm using a cotton cloth, I always have a stack folded and ready to go. Let me know in the comments, what do you prefer? Do you have a preference between a high absorbent cotton, high quality cleaning cloth, or do you like being able to color code and like to be able to differentiate between the different cleaning tasks? Let me know in the comments, what do you prefer and why?